Hi, I'm Tech Guy, and Tech Guy's got to make an abutment for the filler behind the bridge here. So I'm going to do that on a 3D printer. I've already printed a little base for the vents so the track has something to sit on. They're connected together. So this will be an abutment that goes up against that and in theory holds the dirt. So to do that, I have to make a few sketches. So when I make the abutment, I'll make it this shape, and then I'll put a little filler in there to bring that out. Most of the time on a real railroad, it was just a bunch of wood piled up and then dirt behind it. So pretty much anything goes. Hi, I'm up in the studio now. This is Mr. Tech, and I'm getting ready to make a drawing so then I can put that drawing into the 3D printer and print it. So I'm going to start with the already existing abutment that I had done for the other end of the bridge. So now all I have to do is make the part that goes up next to the concrete. So there's the imported part, so I need to rotate it. So I select rotate, and then I need to rotate it one more time this way, and then on the bed of the printer, the solid model, and center it. And so there it is. The printer is 255 wide and part's 254, so it barely fit. So with that, everything's ready to go. Now we save it and slice it. And so we pick the material. We do best quality acetyl-butyl styrene. Each layer is going to be 0.25 millimeter thick, so we don't die of old age running it. We're going to make the infill density down about 7, so that way it's doesn't use all the material, and perimeters are little internal braces to reinforce it, so the part will be pretty much hollow. Then the computer slices it into layers of paper, like paper, because it is stereolithography or 3D printing. And there's the part. That's each of the layers being put down. Presto. So with that, we're ready to print. Send it to the queue because I have to prep the printer. So now it's in the printer. Seven hours and 15 minutes later, here's the finished product. I'll have to do a little cleanup and paint, but let's see if it fits. Pretty much perfect.